Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a short review for this Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone 11. Now this is a clear case with a rubber bumper. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. You got an arrow right over here. I'm just going to pull it up. That opens up the box itself, and let's see what we got inside. Well, you can see we can pull it out as easily as possible. We also got something rattling in the box. So I'm going to check out if there is anything. So yeah, nothing else. It's just the case, nice and simple. Let's go ahead and see what we got over here. So yeah, this is the case in a nice little butter paper thing. And I can open it. Now it does have this little protective covering on top, which you need to remove before you put it on the iPhone 11. Now once you have removed that, that's how the case looks. You can see it's fully clear. Now you got rubber on the border, or you can also call it a rubber bumper. You also have some rubber protection right over here around the camera cutout that the iPhone 11, which is right over here, has. The buttons are nice and they should easily be clickable. You got the lightning port cut out over here, the speaker cutouts right over here. Of course, no headphone jack cutout. The volume rockers and the little alert switch. You also have little bumps on the edges, if you could see them right over here. You could see those right bumps. They actually do not let the thing, the TPU on the back to touch the ground, so it doesn't even have scratches on this thing. Now this thing is actually PC, or polycarbonate. It's not TPU. Now the thing between polycarbonate and TPU is that TPU, which is found on most clear cases, is gonna get yellow really soon, and it really looks kind of bad. It looks actually garbage just after like a month or so. But polycarbonate is a lot different from TPU. TPU is a rubber kind of thing, but this is really hard. It's almost like glass. So this thing does not get yellow as soon as the TPU, and it is going to last you a lot longer than TPU, and it's not going to get yellow, and it is going to stay clear, and it is also going to protect your iPhone 11. I got the iPhone 11 right over here. I'm going to put it on, and let's see how it looks. Alright, sliding the phone in, pushing it in, and you can see it fits really nicely, and you can obviously see the back. All the buttons are nice and clicky and tactile. It doesn't really hinder in those. You can easily turn the mute switch on and off. The charging port is big enough to plug any cable inside, and this thing is not going to get yellow. You also have little rubber backings, as I told you, to protect the polycarbonate itself from not getting any scratches. The rubber bumper is thick enough. It also has some of the air cushion technology that Spigen has to protect your phone. It doesn't really add much bulk to the phone. It does add some bulk, but you can also show the color of your brand new iPhone 11, as well as have a nice looking case with it. So that's it for this short review of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. I would recommend this case. It's a really nice case for the price, nice and clear, and you can get some more colors with the bumper itself. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.